Since its inauguration in 2024, Cerro de Pasco Resources has carried out sustained technical work at the Quiulacocha Tailings facility, guided by a vision focused on respect for the territory and the well-being of the community. Through December 2025, comprehensive environmental assessments of water, soil, tailings, and air were conducted under a preventive and responsible approach, supported by state-of-the-art equipment and cutting-edge technology. These actions are part of the Metalurgista project, aimed at the reprocessing of historical tailings and the environmental recovery of the area. The use of next-generation drones and advanced aerial technology strengthened territorial mapping, environmental monitoring, and technical planning. In parallel, participatory workshops were held with the Quiulacocha community, promoting dialogue, transparency, and trust. This commitment was further reinforced in July 2025 with the listing of Cerro de Pasco Resources on the Lima Stock Exchange, reaffirming its commitment to modern, responsible mining aligned with sustainable development. Today, Cerro de Pasco Resources integrates community, innovation, and responsible reprocessing, transforming historical liabilities into real opportunities for the future of Cerro de Pasco.